guys, back with the second box of my 2-box break sponsored by blowoutcards.com. The second box is also a box of 2009 Donruss Classics. Let's see what we got. Alright, pack one. Base. Y.A. Tittle Classic Singles, numbered 24 of 25. And 2 base. Back 2. Base. Billy Sims Legend, 576 out of 999. And 2 base. Pack 3, base, Saturday Stars, Sean Green, numbered 50 out of 250. And 2 base. This pack. Base. Let's see, Sunday's Best, Larry Fitzgerald, numbered 136 out of 289 with a patch. If you can see the number on there. And 2 base. Base. Aaron Curry rookie, number 975 out of 999. 2 bases. Base. Larry English School Colors. Base. Next pack. Base. Brian Arakpo, Significant Signatures, rookie card, numbered 142 out of 250. And 2 base. Base in that pack. Base. Membership VIP Devin Hester, number 235 out of 299. Jersey swatch on there. And we'll see if that means that I'm done for hits in this box. base there. Base. Sean McCoy, school colors. And rest of base. 6 packs left. 7 packs left. Base. Monday Night Heroes, Jonathan Stewart. 131 out of 250. Let's see it there. That does it. Base. Base. Ray Maluga, rookie auto. Numbered 276 out of 299. Two base. Next pack. Base. Perry Jerry rookie card, number 986 out of 999. And 2 base. 4 left. Base. Sean Green school colors. 2 base. Base. Joe Green, another Joe Green Legend base. This one's 695 out of 999. 2 base. Base. Ramsey's Barden rookie card, Timeless Tributes. 4/25. Base. And the last pack of my 2-box break. Base. A Trent Edwards membership, numbered 37 of 100. And 2 bases. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Again, thanks to blowoutcards.com for sponsoring the break. Definitely go there and check them out. Also, I'll have these all posted probably on eBay at some point, and on the Blowout Cards forums, I'll have them on there as well. My name's jsaxton87, same as my eBay ID and same as my YouTube. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.